Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS Free NQT 25 step by step registration process. In the video, we will see how to fill application form, how to submit apply for drive Ninja Digital Prime opportunity. Guys, TCS Ninja Digital Prime opportunity is there. I already shared the official link and the official notification. So this is the page where you can see like registration end date to be announced, okay, to be declared, and registration status is open. 15th March is the test date. Prime, Digital and Ninja. One most important point, again I am saying multiple examination dates are there guys, okay, so it will totally depends on TCS team. We have to wait for the next update. How to apply for opportunity, okay, application process will be there. First of all, if you are from 25 batch, okay, if you already registered previously through the on campus, so you have to log in using CTDT reference number and you have to complete the application form. After that, you have to click on apply for drive. If you are new user, okay, you have to choose IT category, okay, and you have to do registration. Let's start the registration. Okay, so if you are new user, okay, if you are like already registered, you have to write your reference ID, CTDT or email. You have to fill captcha and you have to fill application form. But if you are new user, so you have to choose IT category and you have to mention email here, okay. So you have to use your one single email. That is very important guys, because examine. After clicking on all details, you have to click on proceed here, okay. So one most important point that I have to mention, that you have to fill your mobile number, institute name, qualification, year of passing. You have to give your Aadhaar number, 4 last digit, and you have to give your name here, and after you have to select the gender. All the details, this type of page will be shown, that note your reference ID number for all further communication, and we have to continue here, and after that we have to fill the captcha. We have to complete this application form, all the details. After that the apply for drive option will be shown, okay. So let's start filling the form. You have to mention your state name, okay. You have to mention your city. They are asking this detail that your present address and permanent address are same. Suppose your present address and permanent address are same, so you have to click on yes and you have to click on save and continue. So right tick means they verify, like they received our details, okay, and you filled all our details, okay. Then we have to like here it is mentioned highest qualification Bachelor of Technology 2025 year. So in the graduation you have to choose like that, like in the August 2021 the graduation degree is started and it will be complete by like May 2025. You have to select a save and continue here. Then you have, there are 2 to 3 option. In the 12th there are 2 to 3 option, 12th grade equivalent diploma in both. You have to mention your specialization, PCM, or you can mention mathematics as well. University, you have to mention your school name, and board of education. You have to choose your course duration, and if there is a marks, so you have to choose marks, otherwise you have to choose like CGPA, okay, and you have to click on save and continue here. Okay, so you have to choose this, and after that the 10th details will be there. In the 10th you have to choose your school name and board of education same. And according to the like your 12th class you have to choose, okay, like in which month you started your 12th and in which month you completed your 12th, okay. So after that same CGPA, and you have to add the CGPA and total CGPA you have to mention, okay. So save and continue. Next option will be, have you done any other courses? You have to select no. NSE details, they are asking like, have you taken the NASCOM assessment? You have to select if there, so yes, otherwise no. If you have a relevant work experience you can mention, otherwise no. Okay, do you have break in study? No. If you have a break in study, so you can mention reason here, otherwise no. Have you done, okay, have you done any other courses? No. Do you have a pending backlog? Suppose you have a pending backlog, so you have to choose, otherwise no. please mention of academic project undertaken. Okay, so here you have to mention your basically academic project. After that, in all the option you have to select yes. Okay, and no need to worry about that. They are asking you have not attended the TCS selection process. You have attended, no. Okay, so you have read the TCS eligibility criteria. Here you have to choose save and continue. Save and continue. So these details are also saved. Nationality you have to mention. Okay, India is the first option. Languages known, so you have to add languages. Okay, suppose you know like multiple languages, so you can mention. Okay, and okay, and after that you have to click on add new like row. Okay, so you have to choose option like this. Suppose you have a language certification, so you can mention, otherwise save and continue. Achievements and scholarship, if you done any of the achievement or scholarship, so you can mention, otherwise click on save and continue. Here you have to mention name. Okay, so name is very important as printed per TCS smart card. Okay, so blood group you have to select. Okay, you have to upload your photo here. Okay, and after that you have to upload your CV. After uploading you have to click on save and continue. Okay, so now the final step come. Are you involved in any pending or closed criminal cases? Okay, no. Are you involved in closed disciplinary malpractices? No. Okay, application form preview, you can say have you appeared for TCS test interview earlier. Suppose you attended, so you can mention yes, attended on campus. Okay, otherwise no. If you are off campus, please mention no. Okay, you have to mention your place here. Okay, so after that you have to click on submit application form. Now the pop-up will be shown. Would you like to apply for TCS recruitment drive? Yes. Now the thing come, TCS engineering freshers hiring for graduating. Click here to select the test center. Okay, suppose I am selecting the Gujarat Ahmedabad and test center to Karnataka Bangalore. According to your preference you have to choose Tamil Nadu Coimbatore. Okay, preferred job location I have to choose. Okay, so suppose I am choosing Indore, Chennai, okay, and Bangalore. Okay, and we have to click on apply for drive. So you have applied for recruitment drive, and this is the final application. This is a registration completed. This is application form PDF. And like the video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.